Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn about the routes matching syntax. So what is this routes matching syntax? I will explain you before doing the code. Notepad I will be opening. Normally, what we have did it. So for the slash post, so we will be loading the full post component, right? Post list. We are opening the post list. And when I want to see the single post, so I want to have something like post slash one or slash post slash two. So depending on the ID. So the post ID, I am loading the single post component. So so that we can see only the single post. Fine. So this type of things. So most applications will use the static routes like slash aborts and all those things. And if you want to use the dynamic routes, means we'll be using something like slash post slash one. So that means here this one is a static, and here this is the dynamic. It is going on. So this one is called as a dynamic route matching. Now what I can say is, so whenever you want to have something like if you want to have a product or anything, so what you will try to do slash product slash one or slash product slash two, like this. So it will load the single product. So like this we are having. So here if you try to observe carefully, we are using post slash post one static one and has an identifier, and here slash product is a static one, and here like this. So vue.js or view router will also provide you, if you don't want to add this static section, if you don't want to add this static section like slash post or slash product, if you don't want to add it, so vue.js also provides you this scenario. So by using the custom regular expression in the parameter, in the parenthesis, so we can use it. So how we can do it, let's try to see. So for example, let's say that in the main.js, here I want to have post id. So I know that this id is a digit, that means it will accept only numbers. Then what can I do? Instead of post slash id, what I can do is, so here I can write path slash. So here we need to have a post id. So the post id should take only the digits. So that is the main thing. So slash digit plus, so one or many. So here, and we can load the component. So I will load the component. I will take another component, post component. Okay. This post component doesn't exist. I will be creating a post component. So now if I try to open here, I will create a new file, post component.view. Now in the template, post component without static section. Now this is the component. Now in the main.js, what I am trying to do, so whenever if you want to open post slash id, or otherwise if you have only the id, then also the post component will be loaded. So but the components are different. In order to have a differentiation, I can copy this one, I can paste it here. Let's see whether it will work or not. So here slash post slash one, it is working. Okay, I will try to remove this static section slash post, and I will give only slash one. Whether it will work or not, we'll see. So this one is not working. Let's see what will happen, what is happening. So post id and digit we are trying to load it. Let's see. So why this is not working? Let's see here whether any syntax mistake or anything. Yeah, here C is the capital, so we need to give small letter. Yeah, the components loading is the post component. If you go here and if you see here, see, so when I am trying to give post slash one, then we are able to load a single post. And if I want to remove this static section, then also we are able to post component without a static section. So I have loaded a separate one. If you want, you can take this one also. So for example, if I want to make this one as id digit and single post, then also it will work. So it will work. So with post slash one or without, like this, so it will work. So here if you try to give post slash one, also it will work. So this one is very helpful in the Vue.js router. And not only this one, for example, let's say that you are having a products. Let's say that you want to display the products. Okay, you can do it. So here I can use something like path, but name or anything, and I can load a component. So this time I will load the product component. This component we can use. So now let's see. Now here, if I try to paste it here, product component dot view, and in the template, I will give product component, right? Product component. Now this one, what it will try to do here, anything, not a digit, okay, anything not a digit, slash Samsung or anything, it will go to the product component. If you see here, so if you go to the post, the matching route is there, so it will work without any problem. It will work. Okay, product component not defined. We need to implement this product component. Let's import this product component. Yeah, now hope it will work. So now post page it will work. Now if I try to write any Samsung or Apple, so then it will go to the product component. So here whatever the name other than the routing is matching means, then it will go to the product component. So like this you can make the routing without a static section. We can make the dynamic routing. So route matching syntax using the regular expressions, we can do it. And not only this one, if you want to have a repeatable parameters, for example, let's say that you are having a repeatable parameters like /1 /2 /3 or first, second, third, something like that. You don't know how many parameters it will come. So if you are having multiple parameters means, then you can have a star or plus before this one. So for example, this product name is there, right? So you can add something like plus. So now this will load the product component. So this product name, if you try to see here, so here if you try to see Apple, it will come. So then also if I write Samsung flash, okay, Nokia or something like this, if I write it, then also we will be loading this product component. So here multiple parameters also it will take. Why? Because so we have written it here like this. Now if you want to capture these things, so how can you capture is, I will show you how it will come as an array. So here it will come as an array, dollar route dot params. So this product name key and the product name key will have all the array as an array. You will be getting it like this. So this is how the repeatable parameters. So this will work on the repeatable parameters also. This is one thing what I want to explain you. So if you are having a parameters, you don't know how many parameters it is there means, then you can use plus symbol, one or more, or otherwise you can also use the star symbol, that is 0 or 1. Okay, 0 or more, sorry, star means 0 or 1, question mark means 0 or 1. So like this you can use the repeatable parameters also. Now for example, let's say that before closing this one, this is all the options and all the things, I will try to explain you another concept. For example, if I try to show you posts, if I load this posts are loading. If I use a trailing slash at the end, then also posts are loading. So if you want to maintain this one as a strict, so what you can do is, so here in the router option, you can maintain this strict as true. Okay. So when you maintain this strict as true, then these all things will not work. See here, you will be able to see page not found. And if you remove the trailing slash, then the post will be loaded. So this is also one of the options, strict option. By default, all the roots are case insensitives and match roots without or with trailing slash. So slash post matches slash post slash or something like that. It will match everything. So these all the options can be configured with the strict option. So this is all about the options which are available in the routing thing. Hope you understood about this repeatable parameters and also the route matching syntax without using the static section in the URL. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.